Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your MoneyGram account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a payment method into your MoneyGram account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a payment method into MoneyGram anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors request you pay them through MoneyGram. And if it's going to be a consistent payment, it's easier to connect your payment method. That way you don't have to add it every single time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MoneyGram account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MoneyGram, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a payment method, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The easiest way is you're going to add a debit card or a credit card. The other way you can do it is you can add a bank account. So let me quickly run over the debit card and credit card first. What you're going to do is click on view profile info here on the page. All right, once you do that, you're going to see your payment methods right here to the right. You can see I have a debit card attached, and to add a new debit card or credit card, click on add new card. Okay, once you click there, you're going to go ahead and add the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. As you can see right now, they accept Visa and MasterCard, but they also take Discover, Diners Club, and I'm not sure what this other one is, but American Express is not an option, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. Once you've added this information, you want to click on save card. Once you do that, it's going to show up here in your list of payment methods. Now, as you can see, there's no area to add a bank account. So to add a bank account, that's actually added when you're sending money. So let me show you how you can find that. First, what you want to do is go ahead and go back to the home screen. Okay, so here you can go ahead and initiate the process to send money to somebody. You don't actually have to send the money to add your bank account, but you have to go through the process, and then you can cancel out the transfer before you send it. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and either click right here, send to someone new, or you can choose somebody already existing that you've sent money to, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and choose how much money you're sending. But again, don't worry, you're not actually going to send any money. It's not going to process. So for this, I'll just type in $50, and then you want to click estimate fees. Okay, what you want to do now is scroll down, and then you want to look for this box right here, how you pay, and click on bank account. Once you do that, go ahead and just choose cash pickup, because again, we're going to go ahead and cancel this out before we send anything. And then you want to scroll down, click on continue. Next, go ahead and confirm the name of the person. Once again, don't worry, you're not going to send any money. This is just to add the bank account as a payment method. So click on continue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your physical address right here, and you want to click on this button here, add bank account. Okay, so here they let you know that they use a company called Plaid to link your bank account. So if you're okay with that, click on agree, and then click on continue to Plaid. Okay, so once you do that, Plaid's going to ask you to go ahead and log into your bank with your username and password. So click on continue to login. Okay, now I'm going to enter my username and password to my bank. Okay, next your bank is going to warn you that you're about to link your bank account with MoneyGram. So read through this, and if you're okay with that, click on next. Okay, here they're going to let you know what MoneyGram is requesting as far as information and data. If you're okay with that, click on next. Okay, next, if you have more than one account with that bank, go ahead and choose the bank account that you want to share information with for MoneyGram, and then scroll to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, click on next. Okay, next your bank is going to let you know what information you're going to share with MoneyGram. If you're okay with that, click on link my account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my bank account is chosen as a payment method. But again, we're going to go ahead and cancel this out because we're not actually sending any money. We just wanted to link a payment method. So let me scroll all the way to the top. Okay, now we're going to go back to the home page. Okay, here we are back on the MoneyGram homepage, and what you want to do now is click on view profile info. Okay, once you click on profile info, you can see off to the right here that we've added a payment method. So I have my debit card here and my bank account. So you can choose whichever one you want to use as the payment method when you're sending money through MoneyGram. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a payment method into your MoneyGram account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.